Have you ever wondered why some people rise quickly in their careers while others stay stuck in the same place for years? It's not always about talent, luck, or even connections. Often, the difference lies in something invisible: their mindset. Your mindset is the lens through which you see opportunities, handle setbacks, and make decisions. In this video, we'll explore the 10 powerful mindsets that fuel long term career growth and how you can develop them starting today. Let's begin with the first and most foundational mindset, the growth mindset. People with a growth mindset believe their abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Instead of saying, "I'm not good at this," they ask, "How can I get better?" They treat challenges as opportunities to learn rather than obstacles. This mindset opens the door to continuous improvement, innovation, and resilience, qualities that every successful professional must have. Closely connected is the second mindset, taking ownership. This means you don't wait for someone to tell you what to do. You take initiative. You accept responsibility, not just for your successes but also your failures. When things go wrong, you don't blame others, you ask, "What could I have done differently?" This proactive mindset makes you a leader, even before you hold a leadership title. The third is the solution-oriented mindset. In every job, problems will arise. But what sets top performers apart is their focus on solutions. Instead of complaining, they brainstorm ideas, take action, and bring clarity. They don't freeze under pressure, they thrive in it. This mindset earns you trust, and trust earns you promotions. Next is the learning mindset. The world is evolving fast. What you know today might be outdated tomorrow. To grow your career, you need to constantly upskill. Read books. Take courses. Ask questions. Learn from feedback, mistakes, mentors, even your competitors. The most successful professionals are curious, open-minded learners for life. Let's talk about the adaptability mindset. Change is inevitable. New technologies, new bosses, new projects, they're all part of the game. People with rigid thinking break under change, but adaptable minds bend and evolve. They don't resist change, they embrace it. Being flexible makes you not just a survivor, but a frontrunner in today's work culture. Now comes one of the most underrated mindsets, delayed gratification. If you want instant success, you're in the wrong game. Career growth is a marathon, not a sprint. People who succeed long-term are willing to work hard today for rewards they may see years later. They stay focused while others chase shortcuts. Patience, persistence, and consistency make them unstoppable. Then we have the collaboration mindset. No one succeeds alone. The ability to work well with others, to listen, communicate, and contribute is essential. Ego is the enemy of progress. A collaborative mindset allows you to build strong networks, develop trust, and become someone others want to work with and recommend for opportunities. Next is the abundance mindset. This means you don't see other people's success as a threat. Instead, you see it as inspiration. You believe there's enough success to go around. This mindset keeps you from jealousy, encourages sharing, and attracts positivity. You become someone who uplifts others, and in return, others uplift you. Now let's explore the resilience mindset. Rejections, failures, layoffs, they're all part of the journey. But the difference between those who quit and those who win is resilience. Resilient people bounce back stronger every time they fall. They don't let a bad day ruin their vision. They trust the process, and they keep moving forward, no matter what. And finally, the vision-driven mindset. This is about having a clear picture of where you want to go. You're not just working for a paycheck, you're working toward a purpose. Every decision, every effort, every risk is guided by your long-term vision. This mindset gives you direction, passion, and meaning in your work, and when you have a strong why, the how becomes easier. When you put all of these together, growth, ownership, solution orientation, learning, adaptability, patience, collaboration, abundance, resilience, and vision, you develop an unshakable foundation for success. These aren't just motivational words. They are mindsets that, when practiced daily, become your secret weapons in the professional world. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We've got more powerful insights on mindset, career growth, and self-development.